Hi my friends, I hope that this video finds you well. In today's lesson, I'm gonna talk about three ideas that are outcomes of pollution, which are greenhouse effect, ozone layer, and acid rain. To start with the first, which is greenhouse effect. What is a greenhouse effect? Greenhouse effect is a phenomenon by which the Earth temperature increases. How does this phenomena happen? Now you have to consider that you have sun rays. These sun rays hits the Earth, the atmosphere. Some of these rays are reflected away and the others are trapped inside the Earth. Why they are trapped? Because we are using pollutant gases. These pollutant gases, they make a cover outside the stratosphere, and thus the pollutant gases cannot get reflected away from the Earth, and thus they are trapped inside the Earth. Since they are trapped inside the Earth, that means they keep the Earth warm. Okay, so we have four pollutant gases that are responsible for the greenhouse effect phenomena, which are chlorofluorocarbon, which is a gas that is released from the sprays, deodorant, or fuel gas that is used in the air conditions, methane gas, carbon dioxide, and water vapor. Now these pollutant gases, they have bad consequences on the Earth. What happens is that due to the usage of these gases, as we said, that the Earth temperature increase, resulting in global warming. That means the Earth temperature increases. And since the Earth temperature increases, that means this might cause melting of ice caps. And since the ice caps are melting in the North and Southern Pole, that means we're gonna face flooding. So these are the main consequences of greenhouse effects. Now, if we need to think of a solution to this problem, we have three solutions or possible solutions by which we have to reduce the use of CFC. Since CFC is a problem, which is one of the pollutant gases, that means we have to reduce the use of CFCs. We also have to plant trees that absorbs carbon dioxide, which is a problem. And finally, we should use catalytic converters in car exhaust that limits the pollutant gases. Moving on to the second idea, which is the ozone layer. First of all, you have to understand what is ozone layer before we're gonna talk about it. Ozone layer is a protective layer that is found at the Earth's stratosphere. This layer absorbs or prevents ultraviolet radiations to penetrate the Earth. Now, ultraviolet radiations are radiations that are harmful to us. Okay, they might cause us several problems that we're gonna discuss later on. However, you have to know that we have a gas that is called CFC that we talked about in a previous minute. Chlorofluorocarbon is a harmful gas. This gas can also make holes in the ozone layer. So remember that the ozone layer is a wall or a membrane that covers the Earth. If this membrane got holes, that means ultraviolet radiations will be able to penetrate the Earth atmosphere. And if ultraviolet radiations enter the Earth, this may cause skin cancer. And that's why when we go to the beach, we put sun cream just to limit having skin cancer. Finally, the possible solution, as expected, is to reduce the use of CFCs, reduce the use of this gas. And finally, The last idea in this video, I'm gonna talk about the acid rain. Simply, acid rain is when the rainfall becomes acidic due to pollutant gases. It becomes acidic due to three main gases, which are sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, and nitrogen oxide. These gases will render the rainfall to become acidic. And as a result, if the rainfall becomes acidic, then our buildings are in danger of destruction in the long run, definitely. Moreover, acid rain may cause a great danger to aquatic life, risk of aquatic life. That means the life of fish and all organisms that survive in water. And finally, acid rain may cause damage to plants. Okay? Finally, what is the solution to limit acid rain? The solution is to remove sulfur from fuel or use unleaded fuel and use catalytic converters in car exhausts that limits the pollutant gases. Thanks for listening. I wish you all the luck.